everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with very interesting chapter and it is somewhat related to our daily life also. We'll begin with chapter number 35 and the name of the chapter is Mobile Phone Manners. Now, mobile phone has really become very important part of our day-to-day life. We cannot think of living without our mobile phones. Whenever a person is lonely, rather than talking to another person or talking to someone else or reading books and magazines, what do people usually prefer to? They usually prefer to just scrolling their mobiles. So today in this chapter we are going to study about how we should use our mobile phone and what all things are there which we should not do. So this is just a chapter for explanation. You have to understand how to use a mobile. No fill-ups, no question answers, just another chapter to make you understand the utility of mobile. So let's begin with it. It says, mobile phones have become a necessity in today's life. People are seen with their eyes glued to their mobile phones in public places. आमतौर पे बच्चे हों या बूढ़े हों या बड़े हों, वो सब क्या करते हैं, पब्लिक प्लेसेस में भी अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से चिपके रहते हैं. Since mobile phones have become so popular, we need to be specially careful to mobile phone etiquettes to ensure that we are not disturbing some other person or people while using a मोबाइल फ़ोन. जब हम अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन में लगे रहते हैं, हमें ये पता ही नहीं चलता कि हम उसके यूज़ से दूसरे को परेशान कर रहे हो सकते हैं. So let's begin with what all things we should do while using a mobile phone and what all things we should not do. The first is you should. So we are going to study first कि हमें क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए while using a mobile phone. So the first is talk properly in public places. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा अक्सर कई बार लोग क्या करते हैं, जब वो फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे होते हैं, they start talking loudly as if they are not talking to the person on the phone, they are trying to speak to the everyone who is around there. जैसे हम उन लोगों को बातें सुना रहे हो. So no, when you are using a mobile phone, you should talk properly in public places. Don't talk too loudly. हमें बहुत तेज़ी से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. Otherwise, people around you may get disturbed. Then next we have, do you keep a reasonably respectful distance from those around you when speaking on your mobile phone? जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो जो लोग आपके आसपास हैं उनसे थोड़ा डिस्टेंस आपको बनाकर रखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ यू आर इनडोर्स, अगर आप अंदर हैं, घर के अंदर हैं, एक्सक्यूज़ योर सेल्फ एंड स्टेप आउटसाइड टू टेक योर मोबाइल. तो आपको घर से बाहर निकल के बात करनी चाहिए एंड यू शुड एक्सक्यूज़ योर सेल्फ टू दी अदर्स. If there are people outside as well, अगर लोग बाहर भी हैं तो क्या करेंगे? About 10 feet is a safe distance to maintain. तो आपको उन लोगों से भी 10 feet तक का एक safe distance maintain करना चाहिए. Next is, do turn off your mobile phone or at least turn off the ring in the places of worship. आपको कई ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पर आपको मोबाइल फ़ोन की आवाज़ को स्विच ऑफ कर देना चाहिए या टर्न ऑफ कर देना चाहिए या फिर अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ कर देना चाहिए. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल दे हैव गिवन द फर्स्ट इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप, यानी कि जहाँ आप पूजा करते हैं. मूवी थिएटर्स द अदर प्लेस, then libraries or other places where people expected to be quiet, या ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे लोग अक्सर शांति चाहते हैं। The next is do utilize your voicemail। हमें अपना voicemail ज़रूर यूज़ करना चाहिए। A voicemail box is standard on all mobile phones. It is already present on the mobile phones, so put it to use। और अक्सर हम लोग उसका यूज़ नहीं करते हैं। Let the person leave you a message and you can respond when you are not occupied। जब आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं, आप बिजी हैं और आप फ़ोन नहीं उठाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? आपको वॉइस मेल का यूज़ करना चाहिए। इससे क्या होगा? द अदर पर्सन हु इज़ कॉलिंग यू विल लीव हिज और हर मैसेज ऑन दैट वॉइस मेल, एंड व्हेन यू आर फ्री देन यू कैन check your voicemail to check the message sent by the person, and this way you can use your mobile. So this was all about things which you should do. Now next we are going to begin with things which you should not do. Now the first thing which we should not do while using a mobile is never use a mobile phone while driving. Now this is very important point. You must have seen people who are driving, they are definitely talking on the mobile phone, या अगर उनका फ़ोन बज जाता है so they will definitely pick up the phone and then they keep on driving along with that. No, we should never do this. Using a mobile phone may affect your concentration and that may cause an accident. सबको ये बात पता है पर फिर भी कोई इस बात को फॉलो नहीं करता। The next is don't bother other people with your calls। आपको दूसरे लोगों को अपनी कॉल्स को बार बार कर करके परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए। Either leave and go somewhere private or keep your voice down। या तो आप उस जगह को छोड़ के चले जाओ या फिर आप अपनी आवाज़ को डाउन रखिए, कम करिए। Don't argue in public. Suppose you are trying to talk to a person and there is an argument in the public. You should avoid such kind of argument in the public on a mobile phone. Next is don't ever use a mobile phone in the classroom either to talk or to text. Now this is actually a really very bad manner. If you are using mobile phones in the classroom or you are trying to text a message to any of your classmates in the classroom, you need to pay attention to your teacher, not your mobile phone. तो आपको अपना concentration focus कहाँ रखना चाहिए? To what the teacher is teaching and not on your mobile phone. Next, do not use your mobile phone to take pictures or videos of people who dislike their picture taken or who are unaware that their picture is being taken. And nowadays what do people do is अपनी सेल्फी लेने लग जाते हैं या फिर अक्सर कई बार क्या करते हैं, कैमरा लेके सबकी वीडियो बना रहे हैं, सबकी पिक्चर्स बना रहे हैं। लोग if you are taking out pictures of any person with their consent, अगर आप उनसे पूछ के उन्हें बता के उनकी पिक्चर्स निकाल रहे हैं then it's a good option. But if you are trying to take a picture without letting the person know or without making him aware that you are taking the picture of that person, that is really very bad. So now the last line, be sure to keep these tips in mind when interacting with others, whether formally or informally. So you should remember all these points which I just now told you about how to use a mobile, what all things you should do and what all things you should not do. So this was all about mobile manners. I hope you have understood the chapter and thank you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.